And there's so many ways to play. We can kind of, play when we are creative. And the amazing thing is when we are creative and we play, then whatever is created is a surprise. We're learning through creation. It doesn't matter so much if it's a success or not a success. It's relaxing, it's opening up. We can play with music. And we can be playful in music. We say we play music. But if we really play music, there is no goal. It's a constant process of learning, of trying, of creating. There is an immense amount of beauty in it when we are playfully making music. It's maybe not perfect, but it's so opening up. And we become so one with the music. So when we are really playful, what we see is all these inner core qualities. Like togetherness when we play together with somebody. Care. Love. Genius. Purity. And go on, come to life.